The Mova P50 Pro Ultra Vacuum offers a fully automated cleaning experience with its self-maintaining robot vacuum and mop combo that efficiently manages dust collection for over 75 days. With an impressive suction power of 19,000 Pascal, this vacuum effectively captures dust, hair, and debris while preventing tangles with its advanced CleanChop brush. Its design ensures comprehensive cleaning by reaching tight spots, corners, and under furniture, thanks to the extendable side brush and mop. The vacuum's smart features allow it to keep carpets dry while thoroughly cleaning floors, utilizing a removable mop and lifting mechanism to ensure no mess crossover. With customizable cleaning options, the dual rotary mop system offers 32 adjustable levels to maintain streak-free floors, adaptable to various floor types and climates. The P50 Pro Ultra is equipped with advanced detection systems, including an RGB camera, allowing precise identification of debris and seamless navigation throughout your home.